Samsung's Unpacked event is going to take place on July 9th, where Samsung is going to announce next Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and Z Fold 7. We already have leaked images of watch faces that will be coming with Galaxy Watch 8. As always, these watch faces will be first available on Galaxy Watch 8 for a few months, and after that, some of them will be here for Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch 6. Let's go through these faces one by one. First up, we are getting the new minimal analog watch face. This one I think will be shown on Galaxy Watch 8, the simple one. It only shows the day and date, but you can try out many color options with this face. In the same way there is minimal digital watch face. It shows our time in this big font right here. Plus you can also try out many color options with this face. Sporty Classic watch face is the next one that I think Samsung will advertise on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. It has that signature classy design with three background subdials. Next one is my favorite, and this is Heritage Classic watch face. I like it a lot. This shows your dates and months right around the edges. Plus it will change the color from light to dark mode depending on the time of the day. This face will also look perfect on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Next up, we have the interactive number watch face. This one is kinda like dynamic clock as we have seen it on One UI 8 stable update. The style of font will change depending on the time. Gradient Info Board is an update to Ultra Info Board. Now it has that gradient color option with better background information. I like this one a lot too. So these were all the new watch faces that we will be getting with Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic. I'll make a video soon on how to install them on your Galaxy Watch Ultra, Watch 7 and Watch 6. So make sure you are subscribed. Right now we have to just wait for the APK files that will be taken from Galaxy Watch 8. What do you think about these watch faces? Let me know in the comments. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.